Please welcome Mr. Amrit Yoga Mishra. Mr. Amrit Yoga holds a B.Tech in Mechanical Engineering from REC Calicut, graduating in 1996 with 27 years of experience in application-based technical sales and marketing. He has specialized in various industries like automotive, process industry, shipbuilding, and construction equipment. He has played a key role in enhancing manufacturing productivity and reducing costs for clients. Amrit Yoga has also established technical training institutes such as MACE Manesar and collaborated with industry association and government bodies like CII, IIW, IWS, and MSDE. Additionally, he has partnered with Japanese Ministry and Industry Association for knowledge exchange. His expertise lies in welding technology, particularly arc welding and its component, equipment, consumable, and shielding gases. Mr. Amrit Yoga will discuss on digital technology in welding equipment technology. So let's welcome Mr. Amrit Yoga.
So I'll talk about there is a digital technology which is catching up in industry, and benefit is that there are many benefits that it is saving even filler wire, it is saving and helping to create very good weld for the operator. Even operator is making some little mistakes, the machine forgives the mistake and supports him to create very good welding. And this feature is very important because the Modi slogan, PM Modi slogan is that make in India and for the world. So unless we make the best of the best product possible, we won't be able to export it for the abroad use. So this is I'll talk about double pulse welding machine, which is a digital control. You can see this is a double pulse welding. It gives almost like TIG, like a bead appearance, very high aesthetic standard. And speed is of MIG, but the quality and aesthetics what you get is of TIG. Now you can see here, even if the operator is making any mistake, he is changing the stick out. Okay, here it is less, here it is more. But see the arc length, which is actually responsible for good welding, remaining same. So this machine has that feedback system, So it is supporting the operator to create good weld. And now this machine is normally you see in the market, the welding machines are 60% or 70% rated, but there are machines available now in the market which are 100% rated on 500 amperes. So you can see 500 amperes, it is 100% rated. So safely it can use 1.6 mm wire also for thick plates. So if it had been suppose 60% only rated 500 amperes, so it was not very safe to do 1.6. So it was only safe to do up to 1.2. But for with 500 amperes at 100% duty cycle, one can do very well this 1.6 mm wire also. And you will be surprised to know I have done many researches and practical applications, and we have found that DP MIG, that is double pulse MIG, has a better joint strength in fatigue service conditions. Under the impact load, if suppose your car has been welded and say for 1 year you have been driving the car, so it goes through many impact load also. So the DP, the double pulse, is performing well as far as this strength is concerned and durability of your car or bike or whatever is concerned. And I would like to explain you about how the evolution of welding machine has taken place since last say 100 years. So it was first only transformers, then diode-based rectifiers, then came thyristerized, then there was a step change technology in welding machine, that was inverter with analog control. And latest the machine which I am talking about is inverter with full digital control. So now industry has okay, it is almost a double expensive than a basic inverter machine, this one. But people and customers have now started to realize what is the importance and what the benefit they are getting out of it, and they are slowly implementing it in their shop floor. See what is the benefit. Here, see left side is analog model, it's a conventional model, and right side is the digital model. So you can see the waveform is very highly advanced waveform. So initial current for hot start, much more high current surge is there in the full digital model. So ball here is a very big ball in the analog model. Here very small and elliptical ball. So it is very good for the stable arc start. See, this is the trend of the spatters, spatters with respect to welding current. It will go like this, when current is increasing. So at 250 amperes, it will maximum spatters, and thereafter it will come down. So trend will be same in thyristor also, inverter also, full digital also. But thyristor is a big pain for the customers. So by implementing full digital, even the spatter level upward trend will be same, but the amount of spatter will be much reduced, almost 75% reduced as compared to conventional welding machines. And here you can see wire feed speed. Wire feed speed in full digital with the load. Now, when feed load is increasing, the inverter case feed speed is wire feed speed is going down. But here it is continuously, almost maintaining same. So supporting to create good weld. Then see input voltage versus motor revolution. If input voltage is changing, also full digital motor revolution will remain same. This is because of feedback system. But the conventional machine, it will change like this. So we have conducted a practical experiment and found that this is analog and this is digital. So the high spatter level, here it is almost no spatters. And this is uneven and convex bead. Here it is a flat weld bead, serves filler material. I have seen almost 5 to 10% filler material is getting saved. And nearly 25% higher cycle time because of reworking. But here 25% lesser cycle time due to almost no work. Straight away you can send it for printing. And there are these extra benefits you can see. Variety of materials can be welded: aluminum, stainless steel, carbon steel alloys. Memory channels are there. It's automatic power parameter selection on on one wire feeder. Then wire feeder, you can disconnect wire feeder and can be controlled directly from power source only. Automatic parameter selection is there. It's a CCCV machine. These are the new technology coming in place. MIG, MAG, MMA, lifting possible. And there are a variety of selections available on front panel: wire die, wire material, shield gas, torch operating mode. It's an intelligent machine.
Thank you, Mr. Amrit Yoga, for that insightful presentation.